Hi, my name is Sophie and I'm the Deputy Director of the Career Development Center. In the CDC, we support our students in their career transitions, and we also work with employers and build the bridge between employers and students. We see career development for full-time MBA students as a journey that really starts on day one of the program. Why is that? Full-time MBA students typically want to pivot careers. So they want to switch either function or industry or geography, often all three of those, and that really takes time, so you have to start early on. We structure our support around three key phases. So first of all, you start with defining what you actually want. Reflect on your skills, your passions, what is it that really drives you, and what is a fulfilling career for you. Second, exploring the market. So you have to understand the landscape that you're in. Most of our students come from abroad, are international students. Understanding the market takes some time, and it comes with building connections, speaking with professionals who can share their insights. And finally, matching your aspirations with opportunities that are out there. So once you know what you actually want to do, you have a list of target companies, you still need to get ready for the process, right? So you have to prepare your documents, get ready for interviews, building some interview skills, how you present yourself, and then also getting ready for the offer. The CDC at ESMT Berlin, and also like other departments, has a very personalized and individual approach to the student. That is something that I personally really enjoy at ESMT. And it starts with each MBA student being assigned to one of the CDC team members as their go-to person, as they call them counselors, who help you on a day-to-day basis with all the career-related questions that you have, preparing interviews with a mock interview, looking through your CV, your LinkedIn profile, how do you do with personal branding, all of those questions that come up on a daily basis, your counselor is here. Related to this, all of our students are also assigned to a professional certified career coach who sits with you in 5 sessions throughout the year and helps you with getting the strategy ready, refining what you really want to do, and then getting to it. Of course, we also help students exploring the market. They're not there out on their own. Just to give a few examples, we bring companies here, they present themselves, they give students the opportunity to meet them in an informal way. Some companies also run practical workshops, for instance, a case that students then solve in class or in smaller groups. We visit companies. That's a really nice event format because students then have the opportunity to kind of feel the company from inside, by seeing employees that actually work there, see what are they working on. It's very insightful, and it just also helps people to get outside the ESMT bubble and explore companies that might be their future employers. One of my favorite examples is with a company in the energy industry. So here we had an EMBA student who was looking for interns, and he presented a case to the full-time MBA class, made them work, come back and present. Based on that, he made a selection of potential candidates. 2 of them got the internship, and then it got even better because the EMBA student was so happy that he came back and hired full-time MBA students for a consulting project. And then, once students were close to graduation, he even offered 2 full-time jobs. The workshop series that we have is aligned with the journey that you go through as a job seeker. So we start with topics like personal branding and networking, later on CV writing, cover letter writing, and when it comes to actually receiving offers, we also practice salary negotiation. Some of those workshops are run by ourselves, and for some topics like salary negotiations, we really get in the best experts to help you prepare, especially for the German market. We can't repeat it often enough, and we will. Treat your career plan just like another course. Another thing we will keep repeating: network, network, network. I actually prefer to call it building professional relationships because that's essentially what it is. Why? Because professional friends will help you with each of the steps, from defining who you are, what you want, to how do I get to what I want. Keep an open mind and stay curious, because you really never know what will come and how those opportunities that you least expect might change your life. Use the CDC. We have the experience, we know the market, we know the landscape, we know alumni, we have a broad network, and also we have a lot of passion for what we do. And our goal is to support each and every student in building the career that is the best for them.